Well, hello and welcome to Waterproofing Wisdom episode 4. My name is Ben and I'm Technical Director at CLW, and Waterproofing Wisdom is my monthly opportunity to share with you something of interest that's gone on this past month. And so I wanted to, I'm going to nab some content for a presentation that I'm doing next month for the International Structural Waterproofing Conference, and share with you a little animation, but it's around podiums and capping beams, I guess in particular. So on the left here, we have a row of secant piles that aren't great, and the red material is a waterproofing, gasproofing, liquid applied system. And over that will be a capping beam, and then to the top right, that image is the excavated basement. Here is an animation of a sort of a construction sequence. So first, the red there represents the waterproofing. It goes onto the secant piles, and it needs to go on before the capping beam gets cast. So it's pre-applied type A waterproofing. Once that's all in, you could excavate the site, put in the blinding, and put in the pre-applied waterproofing to the slab and the walls. Again, the red represents the waterproofing layer. And then you could cast the basement slab and the liner wall. Once that's all in, you could cast your podium deck, and following that, you could do the inner leaf of the ground floor wall. And then you need to put in waterproofing before you do the outer leaf of the ground floor wall. And we would also want to put in a drainage layer and a land drain, and then the landscaping and hard landscaping. So why am I showing you all that? I guess the point I want to labor is, often we work for construction companies who want to start on site, and often the design isn't quite done, but they want to start on site, and we'll say, well, how soon do you need the waterproofing done? And they'll say, well, piling starts in 2 weeks. And I just want to highlight that if you haven't got your waterproofing design in place before you're piling, that could lead to significant difficulty. You might have designed out some options. The other thing I wanted to point out is that waterproofing doesn't fit nicely and neatly into a single package. So you'll see of that animation that waterproofing needs to go in with the piling, under your piling, under your capping beam. It also needs to go in under your concrete slab and liner wall, but it also needs to go in just before brickwork and just after brickwork, and it also needs the land drain, so it's in with the civils, and then it also needs all of your EPDM on your fenestration to terminate onto your waterproofing. So waterproofing sort of weaves its way through a lot of different packages, and that needs a lot of consideration as well. So I'm driving at, number one, appoint a waterproofing designer early, RIBA Stage 2 or right at the beginning of RIBA Stage 3. And number two, just be very careful about what package you're trying to fit waterproofing into, because it might not neatly fit. So that's just briefly what I wanted to share. If you want to talk to us about basement waterproofing or waterproofing design, anything like that, get in touch. Thank you very much.